Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check mobile number owner's name. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Truecaller app. If you haven't already installed it, just head over to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, download it, and log in using your email or phone number. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard of the app. Step 2. Now locate the search bar and tap on them to open it up. Step 3. Now type the mobile number you want to look up. Be sure to include the country code, like +1 for the US, 91 India, etc., if the number is international. After typing the number, hit the search icon. Step 4. Truecaller will now display available details about the number's owner, such as the name, location, service provider, and more. But please note, this information is only visible if the number's owner has registered or been identified by the Truecaller community. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.